This is the homework quiz for week 8. We're on problem number 4. Problem number 4 asks us to solve 3x if x equals 4. So it's similar to problem number 3, but it's a little bit different. Solve 3x. What do we need to do with 3x? What does 3x mean? When a number is right next to a letter in a math problem, it means multiplication. So 3x is the same thing as 3 times x, or 3 parentheses x. You can see here why we don't really use an x for times, for multiplying, once we start getting into the upper grades and going into algebra, because we can't really say 3 times x, 3xx. That really is confusing. So we don't use that. But any of these over here, any of these other different possible solutions or possible ways of being able to show multiplication are all things that you might see. But this is really the most common and the thing that we need to practice using right now when we're in 6th grade and thinking about algebra. 3x is the same thing as 3 times x. So down below, solve 3x if x equals 4. If x equals 4, we can replace the x with 4 and say 3 times 4. So 3 times x is the same thing as 3 times 4, because the problem right up here tells us that x is going to be 4 in this case. 3 times 4 is 12. And that's the answer to problem number 4, is 12. 3x means 3 times x. We're told that x is 4, so 3 times 4 is 12. Go ahead and try the sample problem that's been provided for you for problem number 4.